How to make stickers on Snapchat from camera roll. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat. Click on your gallery option beside circle. Then click on camera roll at the top and select the picture you want to make sticker of. Then you'll find drop down arrow option at the right. Click on it. After you click on it, you'll find scissor option at the top. Then simply draw where you want your sticker to be. I just want the rabbit, so I'll simply draw it on rabbit and press on done. As you can see, sticker is made. And you can also use the sticker later by pressing on stickers, and you will find the sticker you created in here. This is how to make stickers on Snapchat from camera roll. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.